gonna try to microwave. I don't know. We got 3 things over here. I'm gonna try to do some gummy bears. And we're just gonna put that whole bag in there because I don't feel like opening it. Because it's hard to do things like that. 5, 0, 0. Oh, okay, it's done. Let's see what happened. It looks like open door. The door won't open. Oh my god, what the fuck? God damn it, it's all gooey. What? What? Okay, so the back, I need a stick. Why does this always happen to me? What is it? Where do you got a stick? Give me a stick. Okay. Oh, you give me like the littlest stick. Give me a twig.
You want me to go chop down the tree?
No, I don't want that. It's all... Okay, so this is all charry gooiness and bubbling. It's all sticky. You can't see shit. There. Oh my god, it's stinky.
Ew.
Well, this is interesting. At least it comes off nice. Great, now I gotta... I thought this wouldn't make any freaking gooey messness. Oh god, it's all... It's all... Now it's stuck in my stick. Get off my stick. It's like a, it's like a burnt marshmallow. Like, you know how you burn a marshmallow? That's what it's like. See? It's like a burnt marshmallow. Kinda. I don't know, that's interesting. Apparently gummy bear thingies, they all just melt into, they have what, like liquefy into gooey mess. So great. Now I gotta figure out how to clean up this shit. Get off my stick. This. Ooh, ooh, it's like a, oh man, that's really neat. I wonder if we can eat. Look at this, it's like a film. It's like saran wrap. Ooh.
On me?
No, yeah, it's it's neat. Look, it's like all saran wrappy.
Ew.
I want to eat it. Okay. I tried to like gummy bear. Oh, that's weird. What is this? This is like something.
It's like fruit by the foot.
Kind of, yeah. Made like fruit by the foot. Really skinny fruit by the foot.
That's how they make it.
You're gonna show me how I got it. It's really, it's really sticky. It's sticking to my teeth.
Figured out Blue's Clues.
Yeah, it's Blue's Clues something. Okay. I'm gonna clean this up. Try not to eat it all. And then we'll microwave some more shit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye!